number 3, and this is prevalent especially for a lot of people who build content. It's what you call affiliate marketing. It's basically this. You're given an affiliate link. One of the biggest ones that would do it is basically Amazon. In the Philippines, Lazada. It's some sort of them giving you commissions for you marketing their products. We are in one of the greatest times to make money because you don't have to leave your house anymore for you to be able to be productive and for you to be able to make money. In this video, I have 5 tips for all of you guys. If you guys are ready, you guys are excited, please hit the like button as it helps this video and this channel so that more and more people will be aware about financial planning, investments, and literacy as well. First way is online stock trading. If you are at home and you have internet access, you can trade the markets anywhere in the world. The advantage of it, you're not just limited anymore in buying Jollibee stocks, but you can buy McDonald's stocks, Apple, Google, and different kinds of stocks out there. So stock trading or stock investing, or you also buy stocks that have dividends. Everything can be transacted online and everything can be done as long as you have either an app, a phone. So that's tip number 1, trade stocks online. The second way may involve some sort of selling. It may not be face-to-face, but it will entail you being good at customer service, you being good at sales, and you being good at marketing as well. You just have to sell stuff online, either via Facebook. You put an item there, you sell it, and it's so low risk right now that before, for you to be able to sell stuff, you have to manufacture a lot. You have to rent out a space. What's nice about the internet, it's low risk because you don't have to manufacture a lot. You don't have to hire a lot of people to be able to do it as well. So any product that you want to be sold, you can do everything in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, or even TikTok as well. So any social media platform that you put an item there, you can use it for you to be able to sell whatever you're selling. You can go to Divisoria, you can go to Baclaran, find stuff there that's so cheap, and you can sell them in this platform. So you can go to Landers, you can go to SNR every time they have 50% off. What I mentioned was sell it on those social media platforms, but another avenue also for you to do it is you can create your own website. At least if it's in your own website, you control everything. It's okay to have social media sites. As an entry level, you can start doing it on Facebook. Then as you start seeing it gaining traction, then you start building your own website. You can also sell it in Lazada and Shopee. So at least this gives you 3 streams already to do it. What's interesting though about Lazada and Shopee is that it's already a place where people, when they go there, their mindset is already, I'm interested to buy on this. Whatever works, wherever you get the most traction, then you double down on that. You have to at least try all of those platforms to find out what will work for you. Tip number 3, and this is prevalent especially for a lot of people who build content. It's what you call affiliate marketing. It's basically this. You're given an affiliate link. One of the biggest ones that would do it is basically Amazon. In the Philippines, Lazada. It's some sort of them giving you commissions for you marketing their products. There will be links that when you buy off of that link, whoever buys off of that, the person who gave that link will get a commission off of it. So it can be camera gear, it can be lighting equipment, it can be clothes, it can be makeup. And I think this works very, very well for a lot of people who are influencers, especially in Instagram. Since it's commission-based, you can't really expect the commission to be very, very high. And the way to do it still is volume. Unlike tip number 2, where you just have to sell your own product, you control the margins. You control how much you want to sell it and who your target market is. So if you're noticing it, if we're comparing the first 3, stock market, you don't need to sell, you don't need to market. Step number 2, you need to sell, you need to market. Tip number 3, you also need to sell and you need to market. Those are 3 items. Are you excited for tip number 4? I hope you guys are learning. Kudos to those people who love staying till the end of the video. Please comment if you're learning. If this is something that benefits you, please hit the like button as well. Tip number 4 and 5 is you selling your services, meaning the sweat of your labor. It's you swapping time and effort for money. So tip number 4 is you could be a virtual assistant, data encoder, social media manager, meaning as long as you're very savvy in the basics of the internet, Google Sheets, Google Docs, you know how to respond to emails, you know how to use social media, that will work very, very well for you. Upwork does a lot of stuff about it. Freelancer also does it. So the thing about that though is in the setting of you selling your services, you have to remember this. You will have a lot of competition, meaning there are a lot of people who have done it ahead of you as well. And the thing about that is either you have a really, really good reputation, a good track record of it, people like you already so that you can command a certain price as well, versus if you're starting out also and you don't have a track record, you might have to battle it out and you might have to go for a lower price as well. So just a heads up lang that there's a lot of opportunity out there, but there's a lot of people doing it already. You will have a lot of competition if you're starting out and you have to slug it out. The ones that require lesser skill, lesser specialty, since everyone can do it, the pay won't be as high as well. So tip number 5, it's still you selling your skills. There has to be a level of skill that you are putting into. And of course, the higher the value that you give, the higher the skill set that you have, the better it will be. This is graphics, this is editing, this is, or you could be someone who knows how to interpret big data, statistician also, that I think will be very, very, very useful, especially now that there's a lot of talk about AI, and AI employs a lot of big data. It employs a lot of analysis of those numbers and number crunching as well. As a social media manager, that entails also you knowing trends, thumbnails, knowing how to run ads on Facebook, on YouTube, and managing the account as well. So could be something that has no market yet, and then you build the market for it. What you have to think of if it's a service-based industry is, what problem am I solving and how do I get it across without me leaving my house, without me leaving my office, with me working wherever I am in the world as well. Those are my 5 tips for you to make money online. It can be stock trading online, it can be selling stuff online, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be selling your services that doesn't require a lot of skills, or it can be selling your services where it requires a large set of skills, very, very specialized as well. I hope you guys got a lot from this. If there's anything else that you'd like to know more about, just comment it below and I'll try to make videos off of that as well. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope you guys share it as well, you comment as well. I could get feedback on how this is done. And I guess that's it. This is Marvin Germo giving you more and more ideas on how you can be well, because I really believe we are sitting in one of the greatest times to be alive, and it's a shame if we don't take advantage of it. It's all an even playing field. There's no skin color, there's no race, there's nothing. What you have in the internet right now is a fair chance for you to be able to win. And I encourage every Filipino, since a lot of Filipinos love being in the internet, might as well make money off of it. And that's all I want for this channel. I want you guys to win as much as possible. I want you guys to maximize this greatest arbitrage of earning that we are experiencing today, and that's the internet. So this is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.